In this video, you'll learn how to easily create a zip file on your Android device, an essential skill for organizing and sharing your files. A zip file allows you to compress multiple files into a single, smaller package, making it more convenient to share, save space, and keep things organized. Whether it's photos, documents, or any other type of data, zipping them up will make managing your files a breeze. To get started, you'll need an app that can handle zip files. The best choice for this task is the RAR app. To download it, head to the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type RAR, and once you find it, tap on it to open the app's page. Hit the install button and wait a few moments for it to download and install on your device. Once the app is installed, open it up. On the first launch, you'll be prompted to grant permission for file access. Be sure to allow all file access, as this will ensure you can easily find and select the files you want to compress without any issues. Now, let's get to the fun part. Locating the files you want to zip. Whether they're in your Downloads folder or somewhere else, take your time and browse to find the files you want to include. To select multiple files, simply tap the checkbox next to each one. Once you've chosen all the files you want, look for the Compress button at the top of the screen. You'll now be prompted to give your new zip file a name. It's a good idea to pick something descriptive to keep things organized. You'll also have the option to choose the file format. Make sure to select Zip for this tutorial. Next, decide where you'd like to save your zip file. Tap the Browse button and navigate to the folder where you want it to go. Once you've selected the folder, confirm your choice, and you're all set to create your zip file. Just tap OK, and the app will start compressing your files into a single zip file. When the compression is complete, you can use any file manager app to find your newly created zip file. Simply navigate to the folder where you chose to save it, and there you go. Your files are now neatly packed into one easy-to-share zip file. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy zipping!